Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today we're talking about something that could genuinely save your day. Whether you're on a long road trip, hitting the trails, or just dealing with a slow leak in your driveway. Have you ever found yourself in a bind with a flat or low tire? It's the worst, right? Well, today we're diving deep into what many are calling the best portable tire inflator on the market, the Fanttik X8 APEX Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Just look at this sleek, vibrant yellow design. This isn't your grandpa's clunky air compressor. This is the Fanttik X8 APEX, and right out of the box, you notice its compact size, a mere 2.5 by 2.5 by 7.78 inches, weighing in at just 1.74 pounds. It's incredibly portable, making it the best cordless tire inflator for slipping into your glove box, backpack, or motorcycle pannier. But don't let its size fool you. This isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse. We're talking about 1-minute fast inflation here, capable of jet inflating a 26.3-inch medium-sized car tire from 28 to 33 psi in just 56 seconds. That's lightning fast, making it super unique and, frankly, one of the best car tire inflators I've ever tested. What truly sets the Fanttik X8 APEX apart is its remarkable performance. It's not just about 1-minute fast inflation, it's about pinpoint accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, ensuring you always get the right pressure. This rechargeable tire inflator boasts an impressive 40 minutes of continuous work, meaning you can pump up to 16 tires without a cool-down break. Perfect whether you're inflating for SUV, MPV, your e-bike, or motorcycle. This portable air compressor truly has the power. Operating the Fanttik X8 APEX tire inflator is incredibly simple. It offers one-click operation with 4 preset modes for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls, and 3 units: PSI, kPa, bar. Just set it and forget it. It automatically stops at your desired pressure. The 18.11-inch anti-scalding hose provides flexibility to inflate from any angle. But this isn't just a tire inflator. It's an all-in-one device. It includes a 2-mode LED flashlight, normal and SOS, for dark situations, and acts as an emergency power bank via its USB-A output. It even functions as an emergency air compressor for a brad nailer. The Fanttik X8 APEX is highly rated for its accurate PSI display and easy target setting. Users praise its superior speed. Inflated a flat tire from 8 to 36 psi in 1 minute, with no battery drain. Its precision means no air loss on disconnection, unlike other portable tire inflators. It's powerful for large SUV tires and versatile for bike tires up to 100 psi, making it ideal for off-road use. It's a truly multifunctional travel companion, solidifying its reputation as the best portable air compressor reviews are raving about. Cons? While mostly positive, some users reported battery degradation or air loss after the 12-month warranty, and a few new units had initial battery issues. These are isolated, but worth considering for this rechargeable tire inflator. For a reliable, super-fast, and highly versatile portable tire inflator that does more than just inflate tires, the Fanttik X8 APEX Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is an absolute top contender. Its speed, accuracy, long battery life, and multifunctional design truly make it the best tire inflator for nearly any need. Whether it's for your car, e-bike, motorcycle, or sports balls, this cordless tire inflator is a game-changer. Find the link to grab your Fanttik X8 APEX in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your go-to-road emergency gear in the comments.